In an ongoing effort to support and promote small cooperatives in the country, the Ministry of iTaukei Affairs and the iTaukei Trust Fund have provided training for young farmers in Vuya Village, Nabouwalu, Vanua Levu, resulting in the opening of their new village-based bakery. The now called Vuya Village Young Farmers Cooperative supplies a variety of baked goods, including bread, buns, cream buns, cheese loaves and coconut rolls to the nearby communities in the Boer province. Ruth Ranito with this story.
Chairman for the Vuya Young Farmers Cooperative, Elia Matairavuniwanga, explains that the designing and construction of the workshop were the results of the teamwork by the members of the village youth club.
Well, actually, this bakery was designed it was in our 5-year plan project. Due to some of the village work members, we managed to design some of the plans that work out through the village. It enables us to work together as a whole. Even for ourselves, we can work together, but designing as one whole, as a piece, as a community, we managed to design some of the things that can bring us people together in terms of business.
Matairavuniwanga says that although there is competition in the village as there are 2 bread shops, business has been doing well. Vuya Bakery has been supplying bread to the Nabouwalu shop since it opened.
There's only one shop we're delivering at the Nabouwalu center, and it is they benefit a lot from there. Even the workers, the government workers, they managed to come there and buy bread from there. Even they have 2 shops there, and there's one bread also one bread shop there. But the other one usually opens at 7 a.m. in the morning, and it makes delays for them. If they want to get a morning trip to somewhere to visit the village, they have to get an early breakfast. So through our supply, they managed to get feedback. They said they are so lucky to be having the bread inside, rather than waiting for the 7 o'clock one that the nearby shop is operating before.
Shop owner for the Nabouwalu shop, Elisabeth Ngasau, is grateful that the bakery was built since it has made life easier for the locals both in Vuya and Nabouwalu, as they no longer have to go far to buy bread.
In the bread to Nabouwalu, it was a demand from the people around Nabouwalu. They used to run down to Vuya. It's about 15 minutes drive down. They pay about $10, $15 to hire a baker to go down. So what we did is we bought it to Nabouwalu, and they are very happy because we only find cheese buns in hot bread silver, and exactly the taste we have it here in Vuya.
Following the success of the Vuya Bakery, which was also included in their 5-year plan, the Vuya Young Farmers Cooperative now plans to build a canteen, a bulk store for their cover sales, and freezers to purchase and preserve fish for later sale to Vuya and the surrounding villages and communities. Rudy Ranito, Fiji 1 News.